could have soaked it, but I had already perked.
Oh my god.
Fine other than that, I think.
Nah, you're chilling. Boss HP looked good too. Got colors, going X. Fix now.
Wood.
Light will be defending. Light's playing defense, that's the final quill. 8 seconds, or sorry, 3 seconds. 2, 1, don't soak anymore. Go in a triangle. Check your color.
Big wall.
Kicks in 2 seconds. Kicks down. Boss is low, we want these off. Try not to cleave boss too much here. If you can pull him forward a step, that'd be good. We have final quill here. And then light will be defending. Void quill in melee. Don't hit boss. I will count it down. We're way ahead, just play defense. Don't hit. Don't hit, don't hit, don't hit, don't hit. We can hit now. Augment, check your color.
Someone's flying. Yo, holy procs. I'm not getting a second Blade Storm, but I just got like
Blades,
fucking
personals.
100 fucking heroic strikes and executes. Jesus Christ, 34%?
Our damage is omega good, just try to live.
Surely we survive. I'm a void boy.
Back in front. My wall.
Please, 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 like, okay.
I can't do this one.
I can't either.
Good kicks.
Range
Alright,
rush
Void
the
people,
wall
yeah, good
behind.
kicks. Void, defend us. And deal with quills. Light kick.
I think I'll just Blade Storm this. And CS win their eggs.
Arc. Deal with quills here. Full damage on eggs. Help soak if you can. New quills.
Water
Defend for 2
balls.
seconds here. 1, careful. Careful. Only if they're gonna hit boss. Next dives.
My wall.
Backup immunity if so, if we have one.
I'm just gonna rally.
Speed invoker.
I don't have mine.
We don't have it.
It's okay. Good kicks. Get the ads in. Deal with quills. Arc. New quills. Full egg damage here, guys. Full damage on eggs. Defend boss.
Please
After
balls,
this.
nice.
More on void egg.
Kill it.
Soak the orbs. 3 seconds. 2, 1, don't soak. Hold damage on boss. Do not hit boss. Do not hit boss here. full stop on boss.
Darkboard.
Play the dives, and then we push boss. Play the dives, set up kicks.
Off kicks.
I got first light.
Kicks. We can push boss.
Careful, light orbs coming in. Remember kicks.
Attacking you, Sasha. You're gripping them. Do not kill the odds away. Just live here.
Sure you
We have
kick
plenty of
here,
damage. Check your
get your
color.
kicks. All your kicks.
Light.
Make sure you get your wall, Jumanji.
Personals. Blast as much as you can.
Please.
Please?
Oh my god.
Yes!
Nice!
Oh my fucking god. Oh my god, I'm crying.
Fucking stupid. I cannot. That was so dumb.
Oh my fucking god. Thank god.
No, it's a sick
No,
boss.
it's good boss.
Thumbs down. Worst boss in the raid. Worst boss in the chair.
Hey man, I agree with that. This boss fucking sucks.
My heart
God, ooh, I got a
actually like pounding out of my
That
chest.
fight's Crazy, actually. Like, I don't know. It's sick that you can just like get there one time and kill it if you like play well at that point and like focus on shit.
That was like a 32% push.
That was
we
no.
pushed.
I said
Thank
It was like
God
it was like 34, yeah.
It was 34.
intermission.